P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sick. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe look at that.
And that's it.
Two sets of gloves, just for extra protection. Someone has been attacked, they bled out and passed away within the vehicle. This is the first time I've come across one of these. Because someone's died within the vehicle. It changes the way you look at the job. With the stuff that we found in the car, I would say it was quite a young person, and that's quite a tragedy really. Is there a bit of blood on your controls as well? There was quite a bit on here.
Sponsors Channel 4 documentaries.
So is this basically like a pressure cooker?
Yeah.
In Baton Rouge, crime scene cleaner Larry Douglas is leading his colleague Kelly Wright through her first ever meth lab clean. The equipment is secured, but now they face...
Very, very wrong. It's quite difficult to look at it and you know what's happening on the next, right? There's a serious incident coming in.
London Ambulance Service.
It's a fairground. Something's happening.
I'm listening to 3-9.
10 to 15 bottles per bag, so you probably got 200 bottles.
This is the equivalent of 200 litres of vodka. Consuming just 1.5 litres in one sitting can kill an average-sized person.
If someone's drinking over a long period of time, their liver will start having problems. So that starts off with fatty liver disease, that progresses to an inflammatory disease. Okay, what do we have here? Ballard, what's happening in the purses area?
Well, we put monitors on the whole area for 36 hours and things have been quiet.
I'll keep the monitors on for 2 weeks.
I don't know. The ship foreman reported them found and told me to forget about it.
Nelson, we're talking about nuclear detonators. You just don't lose them and then...
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.
Mm-hmm.